Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're going to talk about the Chevy Infotainment system. So if you have this system right here with this big huge screen, then you have a lot of different ways you can kind of customize it. Now, it's very similar to a cell phone, so you can basically really can't screw anything up. But you'll notice over here we have some quick pick options here. And if you go here, this is your home screen, if you will. And you can see for every dot you can scroll through here and see stuff. Now, when you have this set of dashes here, or icons, you're going to have these coming from Chevy, not in this arrangement. Typically, you have the Alexa or Google Assistant right here, and then you might have some other ones and whatnot. So what you want to do is to customize this, because I like my music and I like my maps, I like my camera quick button, my trailering. And then you can see up here we have climate. So for this year, Chevy did allow, or at least why this displays and things, they used to just have pop up on the screen with your climate control. And it really wasn't a touchscreen actuated system. Now the climate technically is a touchscreen, so you can go in here and actually push these buttons. For me personally, I don't like marking up my screen. I like using the redundant buttons down below. So we're going to talk about how you customize just this tray right here today, and then we'll have other videos on all the system setups and everything. So we're going to go back home here, guys. Now, the only icon you can't remove or change is the home icon, but you can grab these and move them to a different array in your stack if you want them in a different stack. Now, typically right here, I just have my phone. So we're going to go over here to phone, we're going to click it, grab it, and we're going to swap that bad boy out with our phone. Now, I like putting maps down here. So it's very similar to a Samsung phone. And I like having my trailer and my phone and my cameras first, because Chevy allows you to hit the cameras while you're driving and check them. No matter what view you want to do, you have the ability to do that. So if it is a replaceable icon, you can click it and drag over here. Now the vehicle does have to be in park to change those icons, but you can easily customize this tray and put them in whatever stack you want, as long as the system allows you to put it over there. So you just push and hold it, and if it lights up, then sometimes you can drag it over here and you can drop the icon. Most of the features within here you can definitely do. And then again, just make sure once you do change this, if you have memory profile settings, make sure you save it to your profile. If you don't have memory settings, but you have this large screen, it will remember it in this array. But if you have two different driver icons, it will remember it. So that's how you can customize your sidebar tray on your Chevy Infotainment system. Now this should work for just about any of the systems, whether it's in a Equinox or Chevy, but this is going to be specific to the Silverado trucks and GMC Sierra trucks. So hopefully that helped, guys. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and notification bell, because we're going to post a lot of content on this truck. And I appreciate you guys being here. Catch you on the next one.